Alright, hello friends. Welcome to another stream. I was going to do a modular font editor K stream tonight, but the issue I'm working on in that is getting very complicated and there's 47 errors, so I'm just going to do a quick, simple little Spoonbender stream instead, just to get one stream done for today, because I try to do at least one font editor related stream every day. But anyway, so I have this styled view down here, right down here, and that's looking kind of good. It's got the font is input mono compressed by David Jonathan Ross. See there, which is by the way, I didn't actually include that font in the software, but it's my system font, as you can see up here, and in my Windows, and in my application. So every font on my computer that I usually see is input mono compressed by David Jonathan Ross, but it's not included in the software. Okay, so I've got this little doodad down here. I like how these look, but if you can see, when I select this, there's this little selector that lets you select, am I selecting the, am I selecting so the selection, does this align with the bottom at the 0 integer point, or, does it align with the top up at 40, and so on. So, yeah, you can kind of see that this down here doesn't look like this over here. And this is the newer, more updated one, and this has never really been updated since we started the total conversion of Spoonbender to dark mode, which is what I've been working on my streams. Anyway, I'm sorry. This whole thing is really hard to explain to people that haven't been following it, but I'll try. So, Spoonbender is my fork of the RuneBender font editor, which is kind of a toy font editor that is super really responsive and fast, which is why I like it. It's no other font editor I've ever used is you're selecting points, you're you're just tabbing around, you're going really fast, you're moving stuff around. It's everything is just super snappy, which is really nice for getting in a flow state with drawing. So yeah. So anyway, I want to make this window, this whole thing, which I'm forgetting what both these things are called right now, because I'm jumping back and forth between two different font editor code bases, and it totally just destroys my ability to keep some terminology in my brain. But anyway, yeah, so I can't remember what they're called, but I'm pretty sure I can hop into the code and figure out how to update them. So let's do that right now. All right. So, okay. Okay, so oh, I should have committed this. So what I did in the last stream, I forgot to commit the work I did for the last stream, so I'm just doing that really quick. So style measure tool for dark mode. Okay, so now we can get some work done because you get status and, you know, we got totally clean Git stuff. So that's what we want. We want a clean place to start at before we start work so we can make a mess and just sweep the mess away and get back to a working state. So you can see working state. Hello. Okay. So let's look here. So we have Spoonbender lib, source, and we have, I think these are all widgets, right? So the one that we liked was the glyph pane, and I think the chord pane is the one that we want to style. So let's open the, let's see, so CD, Rust, repos, Spoonbender. So I think down here we're going to want to open the glyph pane, and we'll open the coordinate pane down here so I can kind of like peek down here and see what's going on, and then make any changes up here. Okay, so... Oh crap, did I forget to set up my clipboard stuff? That's gonna make this really hard. Oh, I can just copy it. No. I'll figure it out. Yeah, so here you can kind of see this is where I did all of the, so we got the build widget section, and here's where I did all the style changes. So we're just going to want to copy those. Over to the coordinate pane 1. Okay, sorry, I just had to check a message. So So here this is set to black. And we are going to want to change that to white. And let's change the stroke to 2. So right now I'm just looking in the theme file to see like what I want to change this to. But let's just see how this looks at this point. All right, so already you can see that, like, this already, you can actually kind of tell what's going on here. And then we can kind of look at, I really like this, like, the idea of just having like a really like wide view for like using this stuff. This is like, I think this is really cool. Okay, so you can see we still have the problem that this font is bigger and these are blue. So let's work on changing that next. Let's see. Just doing a little drawing detour. This stuff's so cool. I have so much fun playing with this stuff. I want to like do way more of this. See how cool it looks over in the corner? Okay. Okay, so let's change the text size to 24. And with text color, let's see what this looks like. Okay, so that just changed this one. Now I need to change the other ones. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so this is 166. $193. And 210, 212. Yay! So that that kind of looks like exactly what I wanted to do. I could probably style these with some better colors. So let's maybe try to do that. I think maybe making the selected one yellow and the unselected one green. So just load up the dark theme there. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. I don't like the green. I just probably just make these black or something, right? Let's change this to 16. Okay, so paint, let frame size equal CTX size, padding, circle radius. All right, that looks pretty good. Maybe get these labels to show up a little better. There are labels here. They're just not, they're not showing up. We just want to change these all to primary. One primary here. And one more primary here. Okay, let's run it. And I think if this works as expected, I did everything I wanted to accomplish with today's stream. So, oops. Oh no. I have really messed up my... It's a good thing the stream's coming to an end because I've really messed up my window manager here. So let's just see. Hell yeah. That looks like exactly what I want. So, thanks for watching my stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn the little bell on so you get all the notifications every time I stream. And thanks for watching. Have a good one.